Hey there, I'm Warren Nash and here is my traditional beef burgers recipe. These are perfect if you're barbecuing, and why not add whatever spices you want to make these truly your own. Now, firstly take one large white onion, slice the ends off, slice in half then peel, then chop into rough chunks. Then add your onion into a food processor along with 2 peeled garlic cloves. And now thoroughly blitz these 2 ingredients together until chopped into nice fine pieces. Next, take a mixing bowl that's big enough to hold all of your ingredients. Add the blitzed up onion and garlic along with 500 grams of minced beef. Also add to the bowl 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of Worcester sauce and crack in 1 egg. Now season the burger mixture generously with some salt and pepper, then we need to mix it all together. And for best results, use clean hands to get in there and mix all of the ingredients until thoroughly combined. And once done, take a burger press. Then line the inside of the lid with a round piece of greaseproof or parchment paper. Now split your burger mixture into 4 to 6 servings, then place each serving into your burger press. Place another round piece of greaseproof or parchment paper on top of the filling, then compact your burger down in the burger press. Do this on a piece of kitchen roll for each burger in case any juices run out, then when the burger mixture is pressed down enough, remove the burgers from the press, then turn out onto a tray. Now cover the tray with a sheet of cling film, then place your burgers into a freezer in order for them to firm up. And it's cooking them from frozen that will also help them to keep their shape when we cook them on the barbecue. So, when you're ready to cook your burgers, remove them from the freezer, then cook them on a hot grill from frozen. Remember to flip your burgers regularly and also check they're cooked through and there's no red meat in the middle when you're ready to serve them. And there you have it, that's how easy it is to make your very own homemade burgers, perfect for a barbecue and enjoyed with the fillings of your choice.